This presentation is powered by ERP Works, one of the most experienced Microsoft partners in Australia, with over 25 years of successfully implementing ERP projects to local businesses across the country. When it comes to choosing a software to manage your business, many business owners and senior managers make the mistake of sticking with what they know, rather than looking at what's best for the business. In this presentation, we will cover the advantages in considering an ERP solution over a basic accounting software. As technology advances, businesses must be able to adapt to stay competitive. ERP software allows businesses to remain agile and maneuver with ease. ERP software helps businesses integrate these functions to streamline their business processes. ERP software provides real-time visibility and reporting to help businesses make important decisions based on up-to-date information. ERP software enables businesses to automate tasks such as data entry, inventory management, invoicing, and more. ERP software brings together different business functions such as HR, finance and sales, ensuring that everyone is on the same page and has consistent information. ERP software offers businesses real-time data which can be used for analytics and reporting. Businesses can use this information to make early course corrections and improve their overall productivity. Why limit your capabilities using an accounting software? If your business is invoicing sales, managing inventory and many other processes, then you may find that these processes are not adequately managed by basic accounting software. ERP software provides an all-encompassing package for managing different business functions within a company. Accounting software may not be able to expand its capabilities to keep up with business growth. Conversely, ERP software provides scalability and can expand its capabilities alongside a business. Implementing ERP software has changed in recent years. What was once considered expensive has now been made affordable through the use of new techniques and tools to support the implementation of ERP software. ERP software is adaptable, and it is through the flexible nature of this technology that makes ERP software applicable across a wide range of industry segments. The scalability of ERP software means that it is not only suitable for medium to large businesses, but also suitable for smaller businesses who are looking to grow. In challenging economic times, businesses look to find an edge over their competitors. Having the right software supporting the business is critical in lowering operating costs and increasing profit. Automation delivers robust and effective management of processes, meaning a better result for your customers and trading partners. For more information on how a move to ERP software can assist your business, contact ERP Works now direct on 038594 0238 and let ERP Works empower your business today.